So all week long in Florida, it's been in the mid-80s. We came home here to Virginia 2 days ago, just in time for some winter fun. We got back to find our peach tree in bloom, and now it's getting snowed on.
Well, it's a cold night in Virginia, and I am incredibly grateful for this wood stove. This is gonna feel really nice. I already filled my cast iron teapot with water. Bill is a very good fire starter. We're gonna have dinner very soon, just sitting with these TV trays by the fire. It's nice. It's been kind of tough being back where there's freezing weather again, although we really had to come back home up in Virginia for a while. But I do have to admit that, oh, I'm enjoying the fire so much. I appreciate the warmth, and it's so beautiful.